So I've been getting a lot of requests for the paperclip rings, so let's do another one without tools. And I don't know if you saw my previous videos, but you can make your own tools out of the paper clips. So just if you're using the large paper clips, just go ahead and take one and open it all the way up here. And this is a tool you'll be able to use in the future, you know, just keep it handy in case you need to use it again. And all you're going to do is take the paper clip and wind it around the other paper clip. So we're just going to wind it around like 3 times, just to 1, 2, 3, and then just back it up a little bit so it's not like too tight there. So we have that. You could even do it 4 times if you want. So I'm just going to take a small paper clip for this one. I'm just going to open it up. Just open it all the way. You just go slowly when you open it up so it doesn't get creased. So we're just going to open it all the way up. And then we need to know the halfway point. So if you have a ruler, great. If not, just kind of play with it and see if you can find the halfway point. So we're just going to go around here. Yeah, you can definitely measure it. But if you don't, just like try your best to find the halfway point. That looks good. You can kind of wiggle it around a bit too. And then what you want to do is you want to pull these ends like this way. Okay, so we're going to do like a little kind of loop thing at the top. So we're just going to pull it pretty tightly. And then we want to form like kind of a heart thing. So we're going to bring this down here. But it's going to be very small. You can definitely do this with the larger paper clip. It's not a problem at all, but we're just going to go with the little one for this one. So we're going to bring this around here. And if you have tools, of course, this is going to be much easier because you can actually form these like loops with your round pliers. But if you don't, you can just do that, like just put it in like that. And then to bend it, just like with your fingernail, just push it that way. And then this one, just push it that way. Try not to like scrape the plastic off. And you can just like kind of slowly twist these to the back, but it's easier if you have a round form or a pen. You don't need a special tool, but just wind it around there. Okay, wind this one around here and wind that one around here. And then these ends are a little sticking up. What you can do at that point is just get this little tool that we've made before and just stick the ends in there and just very gradually just like bend it a little bit. And that'll curve the end a little bit, which would be very hard to do without any tool at all. So just stick it in there, curve it a little bit, and then that way it's not like sticking out. And then from there, just push it in. Just push it in. These shouldn't be too sharp because they're covered with plastic. So just figure out which is better, if one's better on top of the other. Sometimes like if it's sticking like that, you can just like push it down and then put it back, and then it kind of holds its place. Push it in a little bit, and there you have like a super cute little heart ring with a paper clip. And it's pretty stiff. It should hold its shape. If you want to push it in a little bit more, just hold the heart, push that in, hold the heart, push that in, and there you go. Cute little easy heart ring.